Hi, from CBS This Morning Saturday, I'm Jeff Glor, and I'm coming to you alone from the Ed Sullivan Theater during this time of social distancing due to the COVID-19 virus. While the virus may have us working in unusual ways or even remotely from our homes, it isn't stopping the innovative ways we at CBS are working to develop better broadcasts. In the near term, that's meant coming up with creative ways to produce our newscasts, like we're here doing now from this theater. In the long term, we've got our eyes on something called the next generation of television, or Next Gen TV. In 2009, broadcasters in the U.S. shut off analog television in favor of all digital operations. Digital television brought improvements like HD TV and surround sound audio. Now, just over a decade later, Next Gen TV is beginning to be deployed. Next Gen TV can deliver ultra high definition 4K and three-dimensional immersive audio. But Next Gen TV also combines over-the-air broadcasting with a broadband connectivity to deliver interactive experiences. And we at CBS have been active participants in developing this new Next Gen TV technical standard, also known as ATSC 3.0. And today, as part of NAB Show Express, I'm delighted to be able to share with you an interactive prototype that we've developed along with the technology department of NAB and Fincons Group. This prototype application is designed to demonstrate some new ways viewers might consume and interact with us on Saturday mornings in the future. Our segment, The Dish, is all about consuming great food, telling great stories, and makes for the perfect way to demonstrate the future of digital television consumption as well. A next-gen smart TV is able to run interactive applications that pull in information over the internet and present it as part of the broadcast. When a viewer is interested in engaging with an application, they can get a wide array of benefits simply by using their remote control to select and navigate menus. Our application for The Dish offers viewers the opportunity to learn more about the featured chef, including buying their book. Viewers can also download or share recipes, but even better, they can purchase all of the ingredients for a recipe and have them delivered. How cool is that? And if a viewer would like to get more of The Dish, we offer access to on-demand episodes as well, and all other CBS All Access programming. So let's take a look with one of the software engineers that helped develop this prototype Next Gen TV application for The Dish, Greg Jarvis.
Hello everybody, it's Greg Jarvis from the Fincons Group. What I'm going to show you is a hybrid TV app that we've built specifically for this segment. It's what we call a show app, and the viewer controls it all from the remote control. Let me show you in a little more detail. So let's have a closer look. What first appears when the segment starts is the small bug in the bottom right that shows that there's an app available and instructions to the viewer to use the up arrow on the remote to see more. The app's designed to be very simple to use, uses the up, down, left, right, and OK buttons to navigate. So let me go ahead and press the up button on my remote control, and the app appears. This is what we call the main carousel. Viewer can use the left or right buttons to scroll through to see what's available in this app. Let's start with the recipes. So using the up arrow, I can see all of the different food that's being prepared, the recipes for them for this segment. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at the butternut squash recipe. So what you see is all of the ingredients. I can click the left arrow and I can share those ingredients. I can share them on Facebook, I can send them to my email, or I can text them to myself. The idea is to see more detailed information is better viewed on a phone or a PC than it is on the television. So let's go ahead, send that to my phone. Why not? Let's email it and let's post on Facebook. Now, using the left arrow, let's look at purchasing these ingredients. So from here, I can press the OK button. And now what's happened is a link to the detailed information to purchase all these ingredients has been sent to my phone, and I can complete that transaction on my phone. Let's go ahead and come back down to our main carousel, scroll over, and let's take a look at the guest chef today. Here's a little information on her bio. and I can share that information and get more details sent to my phone. So let's go ahead and do that. And a link's now been sent for the page that has more detailed information about this guest chef. Now coming back down to our main carousel, let's go ahead and scroll through and let's shop. I click the up arrow, and what's being discussed in this segment is a recipe book. So here's some information about that recipe book. I scroll to the right, and I can purchase that book on Amazon. Let me go ahead and buy a book. Press OK. And again, that link has now been sent to my phone where I can complete the transaction. Coming back down again to our main carousel, the last thing we can do is watch other segments that have been previously recorded. Let me go ahead and press the up arrow, and what the viewer sees is previous segments that have been recorded that they can watch. These segments come to them through an internet stream, through broadband, over the broadcast that they're watching right now. So let's go ahead and watch one. And what they see is the same app. However, this app is specific to this particular segment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the guest chef, and we can get some more information. So that's the basic walkthrough of the app for the dish. Thank you very much.
So in case you're curious about what all that beeping was, it was sending me the text. Let me show you what it works like. First you see the recipe, butternut squash recipe. Here's where I can post on Facebook if I click that link. And then last, it was buying the book. So if I click the link, it brings me to the page to purchase the book. Pretty cool, that's how it works.
Thanks, Greg. This application is just an early prototype, but it provides samples of the types of opportunities that we at CBS will have to better engage, inform, and entertain our viewers as we deploy Next Gen TV. The dish is a great example, and one can imagine how this sort of interactivity could be applied to other news programming, entertainment, and sports. In terms of timing, Next Gen TV is just beginning to roll out now, and major television manufacturers like LG, Samsung, and Sony announced earlier this year that 20 new ATSC 3.0 capable models will be available this year. It will take time for a meaningful rollout to happen, but better pictures, better audio, and this type of interactivity make for an exciting future. Thanks for watching this presentation of Next Gen TV. From CBS This Morning Saturday, I'm Jeff Glor.